Professor BumbleWeed here. Today's mystery, artificial intelligence. In the next few minutes, I peel back the hype, explain what smart software really does, and keep it lively enough that your brain stays awake. Spoiler, no wizard hat. AI isn't a robot soul. It's a toolbox of algorithms that notice patterns. Feed it examples and it adjusts to predict, sort, recommend, or recognize things, sometimes impressively, sometimes like a confident toaster. Basically, fancy pattern guessing. Think of AI as machines doing smart tasks. Recognizing faces, spotting patterns, understanding speech, planning moves, things people associate with intelligence. The system doesn't need consciousness. It needs methods that produce useful decisions from information. Old-school AI often uses handwritten rules. If this, then that. Machine learning flips it. Show the system lots of examples and it learns patterns itself. Less rule writing, more data wrangling, different headaches, same human responsibility. A trained AI model is basically settings learned from data. Training adjusts those settings using many examples. Inference is using the trained settings on new inputs to output a prediction or decision. Garbage data equals garbage behavior. Neural networks copy a basic idea from brains, lots of simple units connected together. They learn by adjusting connection strengths during training. When the network has many layers, people call it deep learning. Same concept, more layers, more compute. NLP is the branch of AI that deals with language. Models learn from lots of examples, then generate or classify text and speech by predicting patterns. It looks like conversation, but it's really probability-driven sequence guessing with style. Reinforcement learning teaches an agent by trial and error. It takes actions in an environment, gets rewards or penalties, and learns a strategy that earns more reward over time. Like training a pet, except it's math. Generative models generate outputs that resemble their training data. That's why they can write, draw, or remix styles. They predict what comes next in a sequence, then repeat. It feels like creativity, but it's pattern generation with confidence. AI can fail in predictable ways. It overgeneralizes, it reflects biased data, and it confidently invents answers when it lacks grounding. The fix isn't trust it harder. The fix is better data, evaluation, and limits on where it's used. AI shows up everywhere. Recommendations, photo tagging, fraud detection, medical imaging, and driver assist systems. Because it affects real people, responsible use matters. Privacy, safety, and fairness. Treat AI like power tools, helpful, dangerous, supervised. If you like how this breaks down AI without the drama, give the video a like. It helps me measure what's worth explaining next and what's better left unspoken. Your feedback shapes the next experiment. Write your future video requests in the comments. I read them. I steal the best ones and everyone wins. If no ideas appear, I stay silent and the animators animate nothing. That's sad. Catch you next time.